The following segment is sponsored by Whipple Service Champions. From mysterious noises to unexpected spikes in your energy bill, no homeowner wants that. Tim Curran is here to share how we can keep our homes comfortable all year long. Tim, welcome to the show.
Great to be here. Thank you.
So how can we tell, we're going to start right off with the basics, how can we tell if our HVAC system actually needs maintenance?
One of the easiest ways is really simple, and it's just, are you comfortable in your home? Are there rooms that are hotter or colder than they should be or than they used to be? And also when you go to set your thermostat, does the furnace run all the way until the temperature comes up, or is it shutting off before you actually achieve the desired temperature? And outside of that, you can also do a quick inspection of your system as well, checking your filters, and you're really just looking for dirt and debris where it shouldn't be, and also checking for any signs of rust.
Okay, so you mentioned filters. Why are filter changes so important?
Filter changes are really key to maintaining your system, right? So as the filter starts to fill up with debris and dust, what's happening is it's actually starting to prevent air from flowing into the system. So your system's going to have to work a little bit harder to heat and cool your home, right? So now you're not getting the energy efficiency that you're looking for, and over time you might start to pull some of that dirt and debris into your system as well. And as that starts to cover some of the parts, you're going to lose some efficiency on the system as well. And as it works harder, things are going to wear a little bit faster, and you're not going to achieve the same energy efficiency that you're looking for. So a simple filter change is really a great way just to keep your system in working order. Okay,
so how often should we be changing those filters? Because they sound pretty important.
Right, so you should probably be checking your filter every 30 to 90 days. How often you need to be changing it really depends on your home and on the filter that you're using. But checking every 30 to 90 days, checking again for that dirt, dust, and debris that we talked about, you'll start to see how often you need to be changing it within that period.
Okay, perfect. Is this something that we can do ourselves, or do we need a professional to do it?
For the most part, you should be able to check your filter on your own. Some places or some homes have filters that are harder to access, and that's something we can help with as well. But for the most part, homeowners are able to take care of that.
All right, how can we best extend the life of our HVAC system, keeping it running as long as we can?
So again, a lot of it does come back to changing the filters and maintaining that. But another thing is manufacturers generally recommend having a checkup at the start of every heating and cooling system. So every fall and spring, and that'll make sure that we're checking in and making sure all the components are working properly. If there is any of that dirt or debris that got into the system, it's an opportunity to clean that, prevent any future wear. And these systems are designed to last several years. So some parts may fatigue a little bit faster than others. And replacing those quickly not only allows us to keep the efficiency of the system running, but it also helps us prevent future or other parts from shutting down or not working, which can be more challenging repairs.
Perfect. All right, Tim, really quickly, you have led the team at Whipple for almost 2 years. What makes this the best group of professionals to work with?
They're just a really fun group to be around, and they're fun in the office, and they want to be welcoming in your home and make you feel comfortable and just take care of the customer. And I hear it of all the stories when they come back from the field of the people they've taken care of. They take pride in their work, and they care deeply about taking care of our customers.
We love that. Tim, thank you so much for being with us today. And if you need more information, you can find the website at the bottom of the screen. Again, thank you so much.
Thank you.